Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I was done using this script which me and my friend Lauren Sherman have been developing since 2011, and it's the only script to have ever been used on Doctor Who to represent Gallifreyan. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get to how this design says when the Doctor was me. So this here is the unraveled font variation of the script, where each letter is in line with its corresponding set of letters in the English. So a W is a shallow divot shape, so this shape here with 2-line modifiers on it. So 2-line modifiers. So that's the W, and then the H also has 2-line modifiers but is a deep divot. So these are the two divot stems. There's a shallow divot, which is 50% or less of a circle, and a deep divot, which is a completed circle. Then there's the completed circle stems. So an N is in this second row with 1-line modifier, and it is a completed circle inside our word circle, whereas a TH is a completed circle on the line of the word circle. So this here is the unraveled version, and this here is the circular version, and we start reading at the bottom and we go counterclockwise. And this little mark here is the start and rotation indicator, and that tells you where the bottom is and helps you get your orientation in the whole design. So I could take this design and move it any which way, and I would still be able to find this marker and start reading here and know that this is the orientation of it. But this is the orientation that is most typical to the script, where you would read each word bottom counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So this shallow divot here has 2 lines, so this thick line and this thin line, making it a W. Then this H has 2 lines as well. Here's the E, and here's the N with 1 line. So that is the word when. And then here's the word the TH on the line of the circle, and the E. And this D has 1, 2, 3 dots. There's the O. The C has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. This is the T. Here's the another O. And then this R has 1, 2, 3 dots. So even though these 4 dots are kind of off, separated by the stem here, this dot is still closer to this letter than it is to this letter, so it would go here, whereas these 3 dots are all closer to this letter, so they'd go here. So that's how you can tell where dots belong. So that would be doctor. And then we have this word, which is pretty tricky to see because it's got this sentence circle going around everything that makes it look like some sort of weird thing. I don't know. But we start at the bottom, going counterclockwise. Here's our first letter stem. It is a shallow divot, and there's 1, 2 lines. This curvy line here, it ends here, and it ends here. And lines count where they end on a letter stem. So this is a W with 2 lines, and then we have an A outside our word circle, and then this shallow divot here has 1, 2, 3 lines on it. So this is the word was, and then this here is just a line modifier coming from this M, because an M has 1, 2, 3 lines on a circle inside our word circle. So this word here is me. So that is when the Doctor was me, and I tried my best to fancy it up and get it nice and sort of like fitting that same sort of look and taper that you noted liking on the fancy linear design, and I think I really did a good job of that, making these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words look like that 2-sentence phrase in the example. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this and hope you are too. Thanks, bye!